Mastering Professional Bathroom Cleaning, Housekeeper's Secrets Revealed. Hey everyone, welcome back to We Clean Bathrooms. Today, we're diving into a topic that we all deal with, cleaning the bathroom. And not just any clean, but a professional grade sparkle. But before we begin, make sure you've got your arsenal ready. Here's what you'll need. Step 1, Clearing and Prepping. First things first, let's clear out any clutter. Empty the trash, put away toiletries, and gather your cleaning supplies. This sets the stage for a thorough clean. Step 2, Tackling surfaces. Now, grab a microfiber cloth and your favorite surface cleaner. Start from top to bottom, wiping down mirrors, countertops, and shelves. Don't forget those light switches. Step 3, Shower and Tub Magic. Here's where the real magic happens. Apply a generous amount of cleaner to the shower and tub. Let it sit while we move on to other areas. Step 4, Toilet TLC. Time to give the throne some love. Apply toilet cleaner and let it sit. Meanwhile, we'll tackle the floors. Step 5, Gleaming floors. Grab your mop and a bucket of warm, soapy water. Start from the farthest corner and work your way towards the door. This ensures you don't step on freshly cleaned areas. Step 6, the final touch. Now, let's add some final touches. Fluff the towels, replace any empty toiletry containers, and make sure everything is in its place. And there you have it. A professionally cleaned bathroom that even the pickiest housekeeper would approve of. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And remember, a clean bathroom is a happy bathroom. Check out these videos for more tips and tricks on keeping your home spotless. And be sure to follow us on www.cleanbathrooms.com. Until next time, happy cleaning.